Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up the Netgear EX8000 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're looking to extend your Wi-Fi coverage to eliminate dead zones or boost your internet speed in those hard-to-reach areas, this powerful extender has got you covered. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's unbox the extender and see what comes in the package. Inside, you'll find the Netgear EX8000 extender, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Make sure all these components are included before proceeding. Next, plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. You'll want to wait for the power LED to turn solid green. This can take a minute or two, so be patient. A solid green light means it's powered up and ready to go. Once the extender is powered on, grab your laptop, smartphone, or tablet and look for the Wi-Fi network named Netgear_EXT. Connect to this network to begin the setup process. With your device connected to Netgear_EXT, open your web browser and type in www.mywifi.ext.net. This will take you to the Netgear setup page where we'll configure the extender. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Select your preferred language, create a Netgear account if you don't have one, and choose the network you want to extend. Enter the password for your existing Wi-Fi network. Now, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with poor Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it back in and wait for the LEDs to turn green.